Hi friends, this is Sai. So today I am going to tell you about some basic shortcut keys in VS Code. A lot of our friends are not using VS Code shortcuts, so they are very helpful in writing codes and doing stuff very quickly. So please watch this video. First of all, copy and pasting a line. Uh, let's take an example. Here we have a line, the first line, so we want to copy and paste this thing, only that line, into to the next line. So what I'm going to do here is press Ctrl C and Ctrl V. There you go, you copy the above line to the below. And next thing is moving a line up and down. So here you can see I am at line 9. Here this point 2 is at line 2, so I am using my arrow keys alt and my arrow keys to move the line up and down. So as you can see, I am holding the alt key and moving the pressing the up arrow. As you can see, the line 9 moved to line 8. In the same manner, you can use alt plus down key to move that line into below. And the next thing is formatting the code. We write codes randomly, or it's messy. Sometimes it becomes messy. So uh, using Ctrl Shift I makes the code clean. Like, just say we have here we have randomness. So by pressing Ctrl Shift I, all the code will be formatted. The next thing is selecting a line or a word. Go to the line where you want to select the whole line and press Ctrl L to select the whole line. And the next thing is selecting a word. Place the cursor where you want to select the word and press Ctrl D to select the whole word. And the next thing is deleting a word at a time. I noticed that lot of my friends are pressing backspace a lot of times. Instead of that, press Ctrl backspace to delete the whole word at a time. Okay. The next thing is for open an integrated terminal in this VS Code. So press Ctrl and this Figly to open the terminal. Okay, and again press Ctrl this Figly key to close that integrated terminal. And I highly recommend you to use arrow keys to navigate in the code, like instead of using the mouse. So as you can see, I am freely moving my cursor through the code. It is way more easier than to place the cursor by using mouse. Like here you can see I am in this place in line 9, end of the line. If I want to go to the beginning of the line, I have to move my cursor all the way to the starting of the line. Instead of that, I can use my function key and control function key and left arrow to go to the starting of the line. And the next thing is searching the files in your folder. As you can see, we have a lot of files in not lot of, only three files in this folder. So instead of going to this panel and searching the file, I can simply press Ctrl P and search for the file which I want. And the next thing is navigating through tabs. Here you can see I have two tabs open in this window. So if I want to go to the another tab, the next tab, we can simply move the to mouse onto the on top of the tab and click on that. It will work, but as we are engineers, we have to use shortcuts. We are lazy, so press Ctrl Fn and down arrow button to the to select the next right right tab, like this one. To move left side, Ctrl Fn and up arrow. Okay. The final thing I want to all of you I want to tell you all of you guys is, we are you lot of times we have to create a new file, say anything, a cpp file we created. We have to lot of our friends are doing that. They are typing the code from scratch, like as include stream, all these things. But instead of that, we have to press one word and press enter. Then the boilerplate code have to come. That is, like I will show here. I press cpp and press enter. The whole default uh, default code will become. I will show how to do this. So press Ctrl Shift and P, then you will get this thing, and you have to press snippet configuration, and now press enter the snippets configuration, user snippets, and then you can create a file. Like, say you want to make a shortcut or snippet in cpp, then cpp create one file, or here you can see, come here and enter new snippet, press enter, and you have to type a file. And then you will get this window, and here you have to make some changes, like you can see control, and I paste here and comment them out. I forget to save control plus forward slash, which comment out or comment down, comment the code. So here you have to change the language, it's cpp, and what you want to print. Okay, cp. Next, come here, and if I press cp and press enter, you can see the default code. If you want change and read these things and do the snippet thing, or otherwise comment in the comment section, so I will make another video about snippets, how to make snippets. Thank you guys.